Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's session we are going to discuss about the construction and working principle of MOSFET. Before entering the topic, first you know the basic introduction about MOSFET. What is the abbreviation of MOSFET? MOSFET stands for Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. This MOSFET comes under the FET family. FET family. This MOSFET is operating in two modes of function. The first one is enhancement mode. Another one is depletion mode. This MOSFET operating in two modes of operation. First one is enhancement mode, next one is a depletion mode. What is enhancement mode? In this enhancement mode, the circuit is normally open. When you are applying the VGS gate to source voltage, that time the device is turned on. That's an enhancement mode. Next one is a depletion mode. Depletion mode is normally closed circuit. When you are applying the VGS gate to source voltage, positive gate to source voltage, that time the device is turned off. It's a basic difference between enhancement mode and depletion mode. The symbol of enhancement mode MOSFET. This session only concentrating the enhancement mode MOSFET. Here there are two possibilities to designing the enhancement MOSFET: N channel, then P channel. This video only concentrating the N channel. How the N channel MOSFET operating. The symbol of enhancement mode N channel. It's a drain, source. This line represent for substrate. This one gate. Basically the MOSFET is a three terminal device. The first one is a gate, source, drain. Based on the gate voltage, the transistor will turn on or turn off. The current flow between the source and drain. So after applying the VGS value, the current flow between the source and drain. Next one, construction. Construction of MOSFET N channel. You creating the substrate. Substrate is a base material of MOSFET. In this substrate, there are two possibilities. You can choose P-type substrate or N-type substrate. Here, the channel formation is N. Here we are using the P-type substrate. P-type substrate. Inside the P-type substrate, you can make the two N plus region, two corner. You can choose and diffuse the N plus doping element. Middle of the MOS transistor over the making the SiO2 layer for isolation purpose. Then polycrystalline silicon layer for taking the gate terminal. So only gate terminal you can take from the polycrystalline silicon. Remaining the two regions you can take the two contacts from one N plus and another N plus. Now you are assigning the terminals. This one is source, this one is gate terminal, the third terminal is drain. It's a basic construction of N channel enhancement mode transistor. Now you are assigning the biasing voltage. In this MOS transistor, you can apply in the two types of biasing. One is a forward bias, next one is reverse bias. These two biasing voltages you can apply between the source and gate, source and drain. The forward bias applying between gate and source, reverse bias applying between source and drain. First you are assigning the forward bias. The source is connected to the negative, gate terminal is connected to positive. The positive is connected to the gate, negative is connected to source terminal. We can use one more biasing circuit. The source also negative, the drain is connected to positive. This N plus is connected to the positive, this N plus is connected to the negative. It's a variable voltage source. This MOS transistor is a voltage control device. Here we are using the two variable sources. One namely called as Vgs, another one Vds. Gate to source voltage, drain to source voltage. It's a p-type substrate. You know the p-type substrate, the majority carrier is positive, minority carrier is electrons. In p-type substrate, majority carrier holes, minority carrier electrons. Okay, so this place occupy combinations of holes and electrons. The plus and circle represent for holes, minus and circle represent for electron. It's a basic structure of P substrate. You are applying the positive voltage in gate terminal. The same charges are repel, different charges are attract. That you know in lower semester. Here the positive and hole is the same charges. Positive and hole is the same charges. Electron and negative is same charges. These two are same charges. Repel the holes. The holes are moves towards the substrate. These holes are move towards the substrate. Electrons are move towards the gate. Is it clear? You first applying the gate to source voltage. The positive is applied to gate. Here these two charges are same. So same charges means repulsion. Here the holes move towards the substrate. Electrons move towards the gate. Now all the electrons placed near the gate. This layer is called as channel. N channel. It's a N channel. After applying the Vgs and Vds, all the holes deposit in below the substrate, towards the substrate. Electrons are moved towards the gate. Now here forming one layer, it's called as depletion region. It's a depletion region. Is it clear? Next, you are applying the negative supply to the source and positive supply to the drain. In this N plus, the majority carriers electron, minority carrier hole. This negative supply is supplied to the N plus region. These two N plus are same charges. Electrons repel towards the junction. This hole move towards the source. Here also this drain. Here the majority carrier is electron, minority carrier is holes. This negative, positive and negative. So it's a different charges attract. This electron moves towards the drain. holes move towards the junction. You are gradually increasing the voltage Vgs and Vds. Particular time this junction is break. You can create one path to travel the electron from source point to drain. Now break the junction. The holes and electrons are recombined. All the electrons travel through the channel, source to drain. Now the transistor will turn on. The VI characteristics of MOS transistor. Here you can make x-axis and y-axis. In y-axis we consider IDS, drain current, x-axis VDS. ID represent for drain current, VDS represent for voltage between the drain to source. When the current flow will start, you can apply the VGS value. This VGS value is greater than VT. VT represent for threshold voltage. The definition of threshold voltage, the minimum voltage required to turn on the transistor, it's called as threshold voltage. When the VGS value is greater than VT, that time only the transistor will turn on. After applying the VGS, the transistor will turn on. Based on the VGS value, the current flow will start. Now the VGS value equal to 0. In this particular portion is the cutoff region. So this shaded portion is called as cutoff region. Again you can increase the voltage gradually. Now VGS value equal to 1, gradually increasing the current. Again you increasing the VGS. Now VGS equal to 2, gradually increasing the VGS value. Now VGS equal to 3. Once again increase VGS equal to 4. Is it clear? Based on that VGS value, the drain to source current flow is increased. This region is called as linear region. Based on the VGS, gradually increasing the current flow. This particular region is called as linear region. This region is called as saturation point. The maximum voltage reached in the MOS transistor, the current flow is saturation, no more current extended. It's the basic operations of MOS transistor. This MOSFET is mainly used for the power electronic devices and VLSI circuits. Thanks for watching my channel.